Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a tip to kind of stretch out your backside or maybe alleviate maybe some sciatica or just tight glute syndrome or just issues. And all we're going to do is explore using head nods and breathing to try to open up your glutes a little bit. And I know, this time of year, sometimes the glutes they get tight for maybe it's stress, maybe it's joy, who knows. Anyway, it's Christmas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit in the shin box position, and we're going to, I'll face you. If the knee is this way, we're going to lean forward over the knee, and that is going to create this nice, pleasant opening sensation on your backside. And it may be that you can only get to your hands, and that's fine. It may be that you can get down to your forearms, and if you can, that is awesome. But if you do get down here, you're gonna know it, because your backside is gonna say, hey, I'm a little taut right now. That's taut, like being stretched, kind of got some tension. And so from here though, or from here, wherever you can go. And if you feel that tension, what we're gonna do is breathe deep down into our belly. And when we exhale, we're going to see if our body will let go and give us more freedom. So we're just gonna breathe and let go and see if we can sink further down. So if you start up here, you would breathe and exhale and see if you can get lower or get your forearms to the ground. And it may be that you just get one, but that's still good because that's different. You breathe again, and when you exhale, you see if your body will allow you to go further down. And you'll find that your glute will let go. It'll let go of you and allow you to move. So the other thing we can do is after we've breathed, and remember when you're breathing, keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth and keep your lips shut. Breathe deep down into your belly. And when you exhale, just relax and see if your body will let go. Now, the other thing we can do is head nods here. We can look up and down. And as we look up and down, with our tongue still on the roof of our mouth, we see if our body will just let go. We can also do head rotations. And these you'll find as you rotate away from this leg. Hello, glute. These feel pretty good. And again, as you rotate, what you'll feel is, what I feel is your body just kind of sinks or melts and gives you more and more and more. Now don't forget, you've got two sides. So again, we would go here, and the knee if we're in the shin box position, we just lean over that forward knee as far as we can, and we breathe. And we try to relax and see if our body will give us more. We do head nods. And can we get lower? Oh, look at this. This one's free. Now we're working our shoulders while we're opening our glutes. This feels, guys, you gotta try this. Widen your hands, and as you look, let your spine follow. Oh my goodness. This is the magic move right here. Save the best for last. You're welcome.
You are welcome.
And you just see how your body melts away and just lets go of tension. So what I'm really saying, Tim, are you saying that like resets like head nods and breathing can reset your body and allow you to move better?
Well, yes, that is.
That is exactly what I'm saying. So the lesson here, kids, is drugs are bad, okay, right, okay? And so is too much caffeine, okay? Anyway, that is our tip this week, using your breath and head nods to open up your backside. If you suffer from sciatica, this may be a great home movement technique you can do to maybe give yourself some relief. If you just suffer from tight butt syndrome, this may be a way to open up your backside and give you freedom to move. And again, we're just in the shin box, breathing, exhaling, melting, rotations. And if you want to have some really good fun, widen those arms and just melt away as you use your noggin. All right, that is our simple holiday tip this year. I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.